Hello, today we are going to talk about formal letters, and I have chosen to you a formal letter of complaint. How to write a formal letter of complaint. First, do not write your letter while you are angry or enraged, because the ultimate goal behind is getting a result. So, the smart thing to do is to keep a letter calm, respectful and factual in order to get what you want from it. So in calm manner, on top center right of the page, put your name and address so it looks like this. Alex Taylor, alextaylorhome.com, then your phone number. Drop a line, then aligning your text left and put the date. January 10th, 2020. Double space, then put your company address. Example, customer service department, Lookadash Books and Movies, www.lookadashsbm.com. Next comes salutation. If you know the person's name, use it. Dear Sir, Madam, or Dear Mr. Alex, Dear Mrs. Jefferson, for example. The first paragraph should consist of a single sentence that states the facts about your purchase. Here is a template of the sentence you should write. On date, I bought, leased, rented, had repaired, a name of a product with serial or model number of service performed at location and other important details of the transaction. Now, adding that first paragraph, your letter now reads: on January the 1st, 2020, I purchased a Dell Studio Model XPS desktop computer from your website at www.dell.com. Now, in the second paragraph, explain the issue you are having. This is your actual complaint. You typically describe the fault, imperfection, etc. The template for this paragraph would be: unfortunately, your product or service blanked, failed, did not perform as advertised, is defective, was inadequate, is in error. I am disappointed because. Describe the problem in detail. How the product failed to work properly, how the service was performed incorrectly, how the billing is incorrect, how something was not disclosed clearly or was mispresented. So, if we add simple information, the second paragraph might read: unfortunately, the computer is defective. I'm disappointed because after booting up, I received a blue screen after approximately 5 minutes of operation. After shutting down the computer and rebooting, the blue screen appears again. Obviously, the unit is faulty. Now your third paragraph states how you want the problem solved. In other words, how you want the company to do. A template of this paragraph would be: to resolve the problem, I would like you to state the specific action you want: a replacement unit, your money back, a credit, repair, an exchange, a refund, etc. Enclosed attached are copies of my. Include a copy of your receipt, guarantee, warranty, cancel check, contract, or any other proof of purchase and pertinent documents. So, continuing with our example, this paragraph might read: to resolve the problem, I would like you to replace this unit with a new one that works. I also want you to pay for all shipping costs. Enclosed attached are copies of my receipt and warranty. In your final paragraph, you sign off with a calm and formal warning that you expect action or complaint with a reasonable amount of time, or else do not threaten legal action this time. This is a template for the final paragraph. I look forward to reply to your reply, sorry, and the resolution to my problem. And I will wait till provide specific date 1 or 2 weeks in the future. Before seeking help from the Bureau of Consumer Protection or the Better Business Bureau, please contact me using the information above by phone, email, or letter. This is a template of your final paragraph. I look forward to your reply and a resolution to my problem, and will wait till January 25th, 2020 before seeking help from the Bureau of Consumer Protection or the Better Business Bureau. Please contact me using the information above by phone or mail. Next is the complementary clause. It should always be single word. Sincerely, comma, nothing else. Alex Taylor. So our complete letter looks like this. As we have said, on top center right of the page you have your address, which would be the return address, then dates, company's address, opening salutation, then body of your letter, which would include 1, 2, 3, 4 main paragraphs. Finally, you end with complementary clause, which I repeat should be one word, nothing else, which is sincerely, Alex Taylor. Thank you very much. I hope I've been helpful to you. Thank you.